between that position there, after elbowing his chest, in between that position and that position, I can steel peach, strike him in the groin with my palm slap, and I can strike him in the hip area twice with axe fist of monkey. But first, I would clear the airway by grabbing his arms, tucking my chin in, swinging my leg behind his leg, and then I'd elbow him in the chest, like so. When he grabs me, from here, grab, pull, elbow, as he falls, like that. So for that position, tuck my chin in, elbow, palm or palm,